Anybody who, is finally believing in themselves, girl, congratulations to you, sis, because I'm telling you, your day is coming, okay? You can buy your hair if it won't grow. You can buy your nose if it says so. You have money wounds if you're lowballing your prices. If you feel like every 2 seconds, you know what I mean? Oh, I gotta run a sale, I gotta do this, I gotta do that.
It's for other girls and I'm bitching like me, bitching like me, bitching like me. Get that money, bitching like me, bitching like me. It's for other girls and I'm bitching like me, bitching like me, bitching like me. Get that money.
Girl, if you're watching this and you've been feeling like your content isn't good enough, like you can't get it right, or like life has just been lifing lately, I feel you. This vlog is messy, it's imperfect, and it's honest because sometimes the only way to get your groove back is to let go of the pressure to be perfect and just show up. In today's vlog, I wanted to start off by showing y'all how I was attempting to film this podcast episode, but it did not work out. Let this remind you that you don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to keep going. This one is for the girls who are tired but are still trying. Don't you give up, sis. I see you. Hey, girl. Baby. Ooh. Okay, girl, we filming this episode early, so we having coffee. No wine today. Because as a mama, you gotta do what you gotta do. Oh. Hey, baby. It's the toilet flushing. It's everything. Not just how to make money, but what has been blocking you from actually making money. Child, this shit right here. It's the battery already dead. Hey, y'all. I just got off a live. My emotions are like all over the place. Am I going through a bit like crisis? What is wrong with me? I don't know. But anyways, I'm just so like I was on live and girl, I feel like my energy was a little off, but I like to just show up authentic in myself. And if the energy feels a little depressing, sorry, it does. But anyways, on a happier note, I need to do a better. I'm like, Sierra, start picking up the fucking camera. Start picking up the camera. And I'm proud of me. I just shared a story. One of the young ladies that's inside of NPM, which I'm so excited. She just got her first sale. She sells UBC and she's been having it for a while. It's so funny because the text message she was like, girl, after all this goddamn time, I was like, I feel you, sis. But I told you, and I feel like I'm always saying this, the moment that you just really let go, and I know it sounds cliche to say, but like let go and let God, and like I am showing up as a resource. I'm offering something value. I'm helping someone. I'm solving someone's problem, and stop overthinking it. And I'm always feeling like I'm always telling my students this in general. Stop going and refresh. Post it. Well, don't post and ghost because that's what the fuck I be doing. But like, like let it go. You don't need to keep refreshing shit. You don't need to keep looking and checking and checking and checking. Baby, it's gonna happen. What am I checking for? They coming. What am I checking for? So I'm just happy and I'm excited. Anytime, any one of my students, has an opportunity or whatever like that, with their permission, I do share. I even screenshotted like our our thread because she sent me, y'all. It's me. Y'all know my old ass. Don't be knowing gifs, like this twerking. Like I was just cracking up, and that really like put me in a better mood. And just in general, like I get so many text messages, and I need to start. That's what I need to do. See, this is why I turn on the camera because my brain's thinking when the camera on. I need to start a testimonial tab on my Instagram. That is a to-do list. That is on the to-do list this week. I need to get that done. But right now, I need to start taking out my hair because we gonna see Tanisha tomorrow. I'm so excited, and that's why I think I'm really depressed in this goddamn chair, this motherfucking chair. But yeah, I just wanted to share that and pick up the camera, y'all. And I'm trying to just get back in the space of picking up the camera. Picking up the camera. Why is it so weird for me? Like, girl, pick the fucking camera up. But yeah, like I just, and I don't know, like what else was I was gonna say? Don't get me wrong. I want a lot of moms to get NPM and obviously sell it, but like, I don't know. I guess this was like the negative thought in my head or whatever like that because like she said something to me because we got on the call or whatever, and she was like, "I hope you're not offended that I'm not trying to, like." And I'm like, the fact that people have courtesy to even say that, and it's so weird because I'm still trying to get used to me being in this, I guess, position. I don't know. Like, again, I don't look at myself. I don't know. I don't want to get into that because I don't want to make it seem like I'm coming off that way. But like, she said something to me and she was just like, I hope you're not, thinking she was like, I'm going to tell everybody about NPM, but I don't want you to think. And I'm like, no, like, y'all, I created that so you can have the skills, so you can have the high income skills, so you can have the things that you need to stop overthinking. I don't care if you sell DWA, UBC, SWB, DDD, GGG, MPM, whatever. Like, I just want you to make money, sis.
And if I can somehow help you facilitate that with whether A, you get an NPM and learn the skills from it, or B, you use an NPM and just reselling that because it's plug and play and done for you. Either way, I am happy. So don't ever feel like, and I was telling her, I was like, don't ever, like, girl, like, we all have our own niches and things that, you know, we want to be known for, or who we want to resonate online, and that's completely fine. NPM is not a program that you have to get to resell. You can use it for your personal development. Okay, so I just want to say that. But I'm just really proud, excited, and again, for me, it's just confirmation. It's just confirmation. Because here I was just, and it's funny, I just said this on live, and I was like, man, I'm like, damn, did I release enough? You know, because there's over 15 plus modules in there, and I've been debating if I want to release these other 2 modules or just wait. Because I haven't necessarily been like promoting it how I need to promote it, because I have something else going on that was supposed to actually happen before, but the date got pushed back and then it got pushed back again. So I really just kind of, you know how you just gotta like want to get something released and done with. So that's why I haven't been going as hard. Like, I actually want to create a funnel, and maybe I'll take y'all behind the scenes of that, of like creating a funnel and what that's like, because I know a lot of people get stuck on that, but like that can, like, I have that necessarily, and that's why I'm like not trying to sound cocky, but again, y'all, operating from this energy of like, I'm not worried, I'm not concerned, you know. So yeah, girl, but that was like my highlight of the day, and that really put me in a better place. But I'm gonna be in a better mood. I'm gonna even be in a better mood tomorrow. My hair is done, so let me start taking this hair down. I know y'all don't really care to see that, and I'll probably just see y'all in the morning when we head to Tanisha's, because we love going to Tanisha, baby. I just love good energy people. I always try to link her information down below if you're in Indianapolis. In the Indianapolis area, but like, she's just so amazing. And literally, Tanisha has been doing my hair since I was a kid, essentially, because if she wasn't doing my hair, I was doing my hair myself. So I appreciate her. Good vibes, good energy, which is so important. And you know, just so important. I've always wanted to be that girly that said that she been doing my hair for 30 years. I could damn near almost say that. I mean, we had obviously a break in between, but you know, still. But anyways, y'all, I'm rambling, so I will see y'all later. Oh, also, did I give y'all the update? So I still can't find my external hard drive. So I just decided, and I went ahead and posted in my community, that we're going to attempt to do a live podcast episode tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, so I will probably see y'all tomorrow. But I just wanted to share that. Congratulations again to anybody who, you know, is finally believing in themselves, girl. Congratulations to you, sis, because I'm telling you, your day is coming, okay? But all right, y'all, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey, y'all, it is the next day, girl. You know I'm in a good mood. You know my little bald-headed ass is in a good mood, girl, because I want to go get my hair done. I think this is where a lot of my depression was kicking in. I just needed my hair done. You know, I'm trying to let my eyebrows grow out, so I ain't, you know, got them done. They real bushy. Then my hair was, you know, just nappy. But, you know, it was cool because they was locked. So I could still pull it off if I lay down my edges. But anyway, I'm so excited. So we're heading to Tanisha's. But yeah, girl, I need my hair done because I just was not feeling it. But seriously, I was like, baby, you can buy your hair if it won't grow. You can buy your nose if it says so. You can buy all the makeup that man can make. I might get copyright because I sound so much like the record. Y'all, I'm that old. Baby, wasn't that like 96? Nah, I was like 99, 2000. That was TL. Man, I'm that old. But, all right, y'all. I will see y'all when I get to Tanisha's. I think I'm going to film like so I be trying to film like just straight up real content that I be going through, and I'm laughing at myself because one, how I'm dressed to go to my appointment, and then all this shit that I got. Why do girls, we be having so much shit? Girl, I need to make a reel. I need to make a reel saying that. Or just like your mom trying to balance it out. Baby, I be having my Bible in my hand, my yoga mat, my water bottle, my coffee cup, the motherfucking stroller. Baby, I got everything, a purse, a bag for my purse. Like, child, so much shit. Why do we be doing that? Where are we going? We be prepared, baby. Then when you got kids, you got your motherfucking survival kit, and y'all, I really in real life hate carrying a purse. But like, I'm just laughing. But I mean, granted, I have my hair too, so. But I'm just laughing at how much shit. So I'm like, because I be waiting for Tanisha to open up her goddamn blinds and shit. Talking about, girl, let me know when you outside. I'm like, girl, first of all, I was supposed to be here at 8. It's 9 o'clock. I don't never come to my appointments with her is always at 7 in the morning. I don't get there till 9. her ass ain't even up. So, but I'm so glad I have her to do my girl. And I'm loving Zyla, y'all. She loves Miss Tanisha. She like, mommy, y'all know she hates fucking getting her hair done, at least when I touch her. Baby, every day she like, mommy, I want to call Miss Tanisha so she can do my hair. I said, do you like actually touch your hair? You do realize that? Do your hair? She said, yeah, mommy, I want to go to Miss Tanisha. I said, oh, okay. Baby, I can't even touch you. Do a baby hair. A hair. She started crying. So it's me apparently. But people be saying that. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna stop rambling and I will see y'all in a second. Okay, it's about to be showtime. So we're about to try to do this. I was gonna put some makeup on, but girl, I'm not even about to try. But what? Xavier, I'll just let her be. She chilling, so. But just come and check up on her for me, okay? So she don't bust in. And don't forget. Yes. You need what? Here she goes. She about to start.
Mommy.
Okay, get your stuff because mommy gotta go.
Okay.
Bye.
Happy Christmas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye, girl.
Bye, Mommy. Happy birthday.
Okay, I'll play with you later, okay? Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I'm finding me a little pink background. And then, yeah, I might plug y'all up right here. We'll see. Y'all, and I've been vlogging too. Yeah, I'm proud of me. Oh, wait, I'm coming. Look, I'm just like, if y'all don't join, that's fine. That is fine. Look, Tori, I will. And y'all, I'm keeping it quick and painless, okay? Because, again, I might edit this down to have it on there. Or maybe I just might leave it like this live. Who knows? But we'll see. But, yeah. So, it's fine if you're not in there. I just decided to do it that way because I was like, if anybody wants to ask questions, they can. So, I'm about to start now, y'all. But say hi to the vloggy vlog. Okay. All right. I'm going to set y'all. Grandma, I'm just gonna automatically tell you, definitely go back to last week's episode and check it out, just so you can kind of get like, you know, a feel for, you know, what NPM is, why it was created. And so I ain't talking too much about, I'm talking about me, but I ain't talking about me, okay? I think it's important to know the backstory. I'm not saying this is for everybody, but I know for a lot of us, you know, our parents instilled that into us. And it's made us move how we move in life and everything that we do. So again, with changing that, it can flow over to your business as well. So not just for your lifestyle, but for your business as well. All right, y'all want to read I'm trying to do better at reading these notes. Let me read your question.
But it's cold.
Or what did you say? My mom didn't have when she was a child, so she bought. You know what? And it's crazy. I feel like that too. I feel like I'm the opposite too. Like I be feeling like every time I go somewhere, I gotta get my damn kid something because I didn't grow up that way. But no, I definitely agree with that, and I think for a lot of us, it is that opposite. But yeah, I always wanted to rebel of what my upbringing was, so I definitely feel what you're saying on that. On, you know, simply kind of high level, say that fear, that doubt, that guilt, undervaluing yourself and everything like that. But you have money wounds if you're lowballing your prices, if you feel like every 2 seconds, you know what I mean? Oh, I gotta run the sale, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, because that's what's gonna bring.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, so I just finished.
This is for the girls. This is for the girls. This for all the girls around the world.